Now, so what is troposphere? Okay. Now, troposphere, as we know, it gives us the idea how to know the place. Suppose if you want to go somewhere, then first we have to know the idea that where that place is there, where the railway line is there, where the bus stand is there, or where that area where we want to visit. We have to know about it. So for that reason, we will keep one small map with us, and with that map everything is mentioned there. Okay, so this map is called the topo sheet. Okay, now in this topo sheet, you will see that every place has a topo sheet, but in here, in your exam you will see, the board exam, we have taken two topo sheets, 45D7 and 45D10. Now 45D7, 45D10 they have taken. The reason is what? These areas belongs to Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay. Now Rajasthan and Gujarat, if you will see all the physical features, either the mountain, it is there, Aravalli hill is there, Aravalli hill, Vindhya range, all these will be there in that area. Another thing, that there is a perennial river is there, the tributary of the Ganga river is also there, and there is a dry streams are also there, because as a desert area is there, and because of the high temperature, many of the rivers, water streams, water will be dry because of the high temperature, because of the more evaporation, and the sand is there. Because of that reason, it disappeared in these areas. Okay, so dry streams are also available there. Another thing is that there are sand dunes are there. Depression where it will happen, wherever the strong wind will blow, then automatically one side it will form the sand dunes and the other side it will form depression there. So that kind of landforms also form there. Contours are there because the high mountains are there. Aravalli hill, Vindhya range, all these ranges are there. Plateaus are there, Malwa plateau is there. Okay, some lie side by side. Desert area is also there because the Thar desert is there. Sandy area, white brackises are there. Brackis means the salty water, or the saline water is there because there is a red of Kutch is there, and red of Kutch you all know that is made up by the salt. White color salty area is there. Because of that reason, that brackises are also present everywhere. Is it sandy stones and the stony waste? All these features are also there because these features happen where? Only where the plateaus are there, where the sand dunes are there, where the deserts are there. Only in that area such kind of features are also present there. Okay, so in short, if you will see these areas, and the dense forest is also there, because as we know Aravalli hill is there. Aravalli hills acts like a barrier for the monsoonal waves which comes from the Bay of Bengal. Because of that reason, one side of the Aravalli hill will come under the rain shadow area, and the other side will come under the windward side where the excess rain is there. Okay, so one side it forms the desert area, Thar desert, but at the same very important to give us the proper knowledge and the directions or the area of that particular place where we want to go. Okay. Now these grids, how it is there? These grids are like this. Okay. These are the grids. Now you see how you can take out the sub-band here. In these grids, both the sides, numbers are written there. For example, 10, 11, 12, 13, then here 20, 21, 22, 23. Not only in this side, even in this side also the same numbers are written there. 20, 21, 22, 23. And here 10, 11, 12, 13. In this way, these grids are formed. Okay. And in these grids, all the things where means either the natural features or the man-made features all are present there. And you all know what is the meaning of the natural and the man-made. Man-made feature means those things which are made by the human being. Okay, they will come under the man-made features. For example, matted road, non-matted road means the car or the packed tracks are there. Then many of the symbols you will see in the sign and the symbols which are there in the chapter. With the help of that sign and symbol, you can identify that things which are present in that area. For example, there's a kiln means that is the bricks are there. Okay. Now another man-made features are what? These are the wells are there. Well also that because human beings they are responsible for that. So in that way, sort we can see the things which are made up by the human beings that will come under the man-made features. And the things which are given by the nature, by the God, that is called the natural features or the God introduced natural sources, you can say. Like the sand dunes are there, mountains are there, or the sandy features which are there, that's stony nature, all are there, forests are there, rivers are there, streams are there. Okay, so all these will come under the natural feature. Okay, now the second important thing, you have to know the measurement of one box. Okay, this is a very important question in the topo sheet. Take out the area of the whole topo sheet. Okay, now in your book, whatever the topo sheets are there, that is not enough because I think there are only 6-7 topo sheets are there in your book. But you know there are 50 to 60 topo sheets are there. Okay, so we don't know which topo sheet will come in that exam. Okay, so if you want to totally depends on these topo sheets, then definitely it will be very dangerous for you because might be possible in the exam some other topo sheet will come, then what you will do. Okay, so that's the reason I have given you the knowledge, the basic knowledge how to do any of the topo sheet. Okay, now in that, for example, I am giving you that first how you have to know the area of one box. To know the area of one box, you have to know that length and the breadth all are the is 100% is same. Okay, and there is a one scale is there. Scale in the topo sheet there are 3 scales we are using. Scale means you all know to give the proper idea of any measurement of any place is used. We are using that scale. There are 3 types of the scales are there which are used in the topo sheet, that is by statement, by representative fraction, and by the linear or the graphical scale. By statement, you all know that the 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, so 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer is what? It's it is what? By statement. By statement, why? Because I am telling you and you are listening. So statement is then they have given the idea that 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. That's the scale of the topo sheet. And if you will see, this scale is also written there in your topo sheet. Because it just below the topo sheet, if you will see, the scale is written there. In the one side of your open that topo sheet, now you see here it is written there. Okay, so that is the by statement. Okay, now another is the by the representative fraction. By representative fraction Horizontally also 10 boxes are there. Okay, so means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how you will write 10 kilometers? Square kilometer you will not write because you have to measure this one only, not this one. एक साइड तक गिनोगे ना तो 1 किलोमीटर 2 3 4 इन दैट वे ना तो 10 किलोमीटर into 10 kilometer is equal to 100 square kilometer. 100 square kilometers. Is it? So that is the total area of the toposphere. But at the same time, remember it might be possible in some of the topospheres only 8 boxes are here. 7 boxes are here. So in that you have to count 8 into 7. 8 kilometer. Suppose 8 boxes are here. 8 kilometer. 7 boxes are here. So 7 kilometer. So 8 kilometer into 7 kilometer. 8 sevens are 56. Okay. So that kilometer is there. So first, if such kind of questions will be there, first you have to count the boxes vertically and horizontally. When you will count the boxes, then only you can write this. Okay? Is it clear? This one you can do. And 99% maximum toposphere if you will see, this question is there. Take out the measurement of the total area. Sometimes beta this question will come in this way also. We take out the length of block number 10 to 30 and 10 to 23. 20 to 23. It means only this much block area you have to take out. Suppose this or the block I have made only this much block, you have to take out the area. Okay? Then how you will take out this beta? Now you tell me. Yes? 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. That will be 3 southwest, southeast, northeast. Is it? Total how? Count. How many are there? 8. 8 more directions are also there. You know? But God has given to this belief that in this corona, because of this epidemic disease, only this much directions should happen. Otherwise, you know how many directions are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, how it will be there? Now you see. North, north, west, north, west, west, south, west, west, south, south, west, south, south, east, south, east, east. Then north, north, east, north, east, east. this place. My screen is that in that register. If I will take out that register, my mobile will now, no, no, take out the direction of this to this. Now how you will keep your scale is 70. Okay, first you will keep your scale like this to this. Okay, then you can take out the reserve distance. Suppose this distance will come, that distance will be 12 centimeter. Okay, 12 centimeter. You will measure it like this. If it will come 12 centimeter, so how you will write? First you have to write 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 12 centimeter is equal to 6 kilometer. Is it? So this is the answer. It is the easiest way to take out the distance. But suppose if the question is there, take out the distance of A from B with the help of Mackle rule. Okay, with the help of Mackle rule or the cart track rule or the park track rule, or if suppose they will give you some hint that causeway is there, with that causeway you have to take out the distance of Anthony or the Lunga or what the name they are saying, that 40 stone heights are there. Then how you will take out? That time you have to use thread. Okay, thread and the eye card both are not there. So thread you will take. Okay, now suppose this area is that area, in this way this area is there. Okay, so what you will do? You keep your thread here. First point of your thread you will keep it here. Then your thread will go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, you will take to the, and whatever the length of the thread will be there, you will take it like this. Then you put your scale here, and on that scale 1, 2. So here you write 2. Then northing is what? 21. 21. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4 in the middle of the 3 and 4 this slide is there. So what you will write? Either you write 3 or you can write 4. लेकिन any one you have to write. या तो 3 लिखो या 4. Okay? दोनों मत लिखो. Point में तो गलत हो जाएगा. Point लिखना ही नहीं. This is the 6 figure bill. No points will be there. Is it? So in this way you will take out 6 figure bill. Is it clear? Now anything else? Yes? Only this much problem was there. And control and access natural features. Okay, bearing and compass direction is clear. What is the meaning of compass direction? What is the compass direction of B from A? Tell me. Everything is clear now. Tell me the answer. You have said now. Other things are clear. Yes, Ansu also has said. Yes, what is the compass direction of B from A? Yes, tell me. First you decide. What you have said? You have said? You? Independent guide. The answer
B from A.
Yes. What is the compass direction of B from A? Northeast. Yes, you. Don't copy. You give your own opinion. Northeast. Yes, Peter. You. South. Okay. Now compass direction means you have to take up the direction only. Nothing else. Compass direction of B from A. That is northeast. Very good. North is the correct. Southwest to northeast. Okay? If my question will be there, what is the direction of A from B? Then southwest. Okay? Now tell me, what is the bearing or that is just I think yesterday or the other state. What is the bearing